So guys, we are today installing Kangen machine on board the ship. So I will try to show you how the installation is going on. So guys, you can see the installation of Kangen machine is going on over here. We have fabricated one table here, and then we are putting this strips, and this will be installed over here like this. So very good job is being done by one of my colleagues. What I have done is that I have connected inlet water from my tap side from here. Then I have taken a connection to this pre-filter system over here. This I brought it from my home. This is from my home, and from here I have this inlet water is going here to the pre-filter. This pre-filter will try to stop all the debris, rust, deposits, sand which is coming from the ship's freshwater tank. So everything can be stopped over here in the pre-filtration system. Or in fact I should install two such kind of filters for a better protection of my $4,000 of my machine. So but at present I am using one, and then from here I connected through one adapter to inlet to this machine. So here it is coming to this machine. This hose is coming inlet to this machine. So at present temporary arrangement are there. So I will be installing it in a better way. And this is a grey water hose. Beauty water will be coming here through this. And now from here I installed adapter. I installed over here one adapter. I installed here one T-joint. You can see a T-joint is here, and from the T-joint there is one adapter, and this adapter, and there is a wall or cock here, 1/4 inch. So this I will put on a little bit on this, and then my valve is on, so water is started coming, and I will start I will take my Kangen water from here.
Kangen water 8.5. Kangen water 9.0.
So guys, now you can see I started. There was a delay in this water coming, ionized water coming out, because the filter was completely dry. In the morning I have given a blow from the oxygen bottle, so it was dry, so the water passes through, it is getting ionized, and from here I am getting alkaline water, and from here I am getting beauty water. So guys, now you can think, even on board we can bring the Kangen machine and we can drink and have a alkaline water from this Enagic. Thank you guys, and subscribe my channel, and if any doubt, any questions, you can ask me anytime. Thank you.